Yo, this is absolutely insane. Yo,
A rare overnight hailstorm struck northern Colorado on Tuesday morning, pummeling areas along the northern corridor of Interstate 25 with baseball-sized hail. Guffey and Durango were the hardest hit. Residents arrived to find shattered windshields and extensive damage. Some of the largest hailstorms were recorded.
oh my God!
With baseball-sized boulders covering the ground before the water melted, other communities experienced significant impacts, including egg-sized 5 centimeters hail in Durango and golf ball-sized hail in Guffey. Overnight hailstorms of this magnitude are extremely rare in Colorado. The atmosphere typically lacks the moisture and instability needed for such storms to form after dark. However, this particular event was fueled by unusually high dew points and a timely approach of a cold front. Meteorologists recorded dew points in the 60s degrees Celsius on Tuesday morning, the highest level so far this year. This humidity level, described as air you can wear, played a key role in the storm's development. Eastern Colorado typically experiences only 5 to 10 days each year, with dew points above 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. The combination of high low-level humidity and an approaching cold front created the perfect conditions for this powerful storm. While these conditions are more common in states like Kansas, Oklahoma, or Texas, this convergence is rare in Colorado, which is typically too dry for such overnight storms. This storm serves as a reminder of the unpredictability of spring weather in Colorado and the importance of staying alert, even at night. As dry air begins to move in briefly this morning, scattered afternoon thunderstorms are again expected, especially south of I-70, where the atmosphere remains unstable. While widespread severe weather is not expected, some storms could become severe, producing locally heavy rain, strong winds, and hail.